All right, summertime, barbecue, backyard, Italian-American house. What are we doing? Need barbecue sauce. Whether you like it or not, pulled pork, barbecue goes great. So I says, well, let's do something different. So what are we making today? Get your pen and paper. Very simple. We're gonna do a Cherry Sambuca BBQ sauce. If you ever had that before, I stole it from you. If you never did, I'm the first one that ever made it. I'm taking my saucepan, a little bit of butter. Fresh cherries, cleaned, pitted. Make sure there's no pits in there. Your blender's not gonna like it. Gonna put them in. So, for this one, I'm just gonna bring these up to warm, melt the butter, and just start opening and getting that cherry juice out of the cherries. Want a little bit of heat, a little bit of heat. Now, let it be known, it started out, it was gonna be a cherry grappa barbecue sauce. The village of Lisle, Illinois, does not know what grappa is. So, since Anthony dropped the ball yesterday, you guys are getting to see, and we're gonna get to enjoy a Cherry Sambuca barbecue sauce. But if you have a bottle of grappa at home, and it doesn't do anything, a nice cherry grappa sauce. So, butter's melted, cherries are starting to warm up a little bit, juicing up a little. Our Sambuca. Let's see if it flames. Ooh, little flambe. Because, take it easy. I'm fancy. All right. We're gonna cook the alcohol out. So, if you don't drink alcohol, don't worry, it's gone, it's burned out. Tom, can you see the flame on camera? Flambe is also going to, we're going to get the alcohol out. We're going to get that nice sweetness. And it's going to start drawing more liquid or cherry juice from the fresh cherries. Going to let it just cook down just a little bit. Little bit, about 5 minutes. You can pause. All right, so I'm going to show you here. Nice. Cook down a little bit. Cook the alcohol out on the flame. So now this is a base barbecue sauce, okay? No apple wood, no this, no that. It's a nice, just clean base barbecue sauce right into the cherries. I'm gonna give it a little stir, Gonna bring it to a boil, let the flavor sit, gonna turn it to a little simmer. It's gonna sit on the simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so brought it to a boil. We let our barbecue sauce simmer for about 5 minutes. It's nice, thick, delicious. So now we got our cherries. You can see our cherries in there. We're gonna take our hand blender. We're gonna blend it up. tell you what, this barbecue sauce smells good. Not gonna lie. All right. So now it's smooth, but it's not like smooth puree. We got some of our, this was a very light smoked and then braised pork butt. We pulled it. We roasted it. We smoked it. And then we pulled it. Pull your pork. Gonna put a little barbecue sauce on there. Hold on, let's make. So now we got our Sambuca Cherry barbecue sauce in our pulled pork. So I don't know, can you catch it on that film there? It's nice, got a nice red tint to it. I think I'm gonna put a little more. Juicy. Tom, we're making it juicy. Danny, you want to taste my pulled pork? Let's see if we got a fork somewhere. Tasting spoons. All right. Cherry Sambuca BBQ Sauce. Salute. Nice cherry flavor. The little bit of licoricey flavor from the Sambuca.
Touch, which is nice.
Not over sweet. All right. I think we're gonna make a cherry barbecue pulled pork pizza.
You know what? I got a perfect dough for that.
Let's go.